Welcome back to Legends RC Talk. Here's your host, the Legend.
Hey guys, Legend here. Gonna just do a quick tutorial on soldering. Biggest trick to make things go right is to actually lead both sides. Get a nice coating of solder on your wiring. Let it permeate right into the wire. Takes a little bit. You want to get everything nice and hot. To do that, I get the iron hot first, get a ball of solder onto the wire, and once it starts soaking up through the wire, you can actually drip it right through. Super easy to do if you just take your time, which I am not doing right now. Get it nice and hot, solder soaks through, and voila, done. Biggest key, remember to lead your wire with solder. Get it through it, and then it will always stick.